Yodi. Go down there. I told you people, you have to listen to me. Ní mind láti wá sí school láì ṣe assignment tí mo fún yín.
It's my mommy daddy need me to do my assignment.
Professor ṣe ni mo jẹ́ o gbàgbé mọ̀ ni. You are. Shut up. Padà síbí, come back here. Ẹ gbà mí. Why did you not come to school since all these days?
Professor, mo lọ gba update sí ni.
What is update? Come here. Oh yeah, come here. You're there. I said the governor.